just quickly jump to this UI. You can see. So yeah, so you can see this is my UI, and I think earlier I have tried something, so you can see, right? Now you can see here whether MCP, whatever, right, which I have registered. So if you want to register any new MCP, right, so you need to just do like this. Okay, add new MCP, and whatever command, right, you need to give an add argument and just save it. So I will just edit one. You can see, right? See, so here you see I have given this, right, whether MCP, my command, right, UV run with MCP CLI MCP run, and this is the my path of this, right, weather.py file. If you see similar to this my Excel MCP which I have installed, right, so Excel MCP, what it needs, it just need Excel MCP server, right, as an argument, and stdio, right, because it's mode in stdio mode we are running this. It's a third party Excel. Similarly, right, word and word, right. Okay, so this way you can register it, and I have given some dark mode, right. So this way you can, so let me ask something. Hi. So now when I will call this, right, so it will go to LLM, and right, it will ask, because see here I have not selected anything, direct OpenAI it is doing. Okay, so whatever chat I am doing, right, it is direct to the